Friends, there is another term that is called EDI. Now, EDI is electronic data interface. So what is this electronic data interface? Internationally, all countries are not same. Some countries are very rich, some countries are not that developed, some countries are very poorly developed. Not every country has the digital uh, methods of filing documents or handling documents. International trade has still not adopted the documentary system that is internationally digital in nature. So there is no electronic data interface kind of thing in the international trade documentation and procedures, especially the documents that move with the goods, the so-called commercial principal documents, because of the differences in the development of the different countries. But individual countries also require, the local governments also require a lot of regulatory documents and auxiliary documents to be filed for the local governments that have nothing to do with the buyer. So these documents do not move with the goods. These documents are normally filed digitally in order to facilitate the trade, in order to make the trade smoother and faster. Goods clearance, whether it is for export or for import, becomes smoother in those countries because of the efforts by the local governments, and these efforts include the biggest effort of digitalization of the local documents, and which is called EDI, electronic data interface. For example, in other countries the name may be different. In US it is called automated export system, AES.